Alright guys, so I do want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new magnetic portable charger. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it off for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. It's not about you, but I always try to keep my devices fully charged or close to charged at all times. Type-C to Type-C to keep it charged. User guide for it. And the actual magnetic portable charger. This will work from like the 13 to the new 17. Look at that. 5,000 milliamp hours on here. Check it out, so cool. It's got a button right here, so I should turn it on. Lets you know the battery. So luckily it's already at 92%. So let's go ahead and actually put it on the phone. So you can see I do have a case on it. So let's go ahead and actually turn it on. And there it is, right from there. And I do want to mention this is less than an inch. Hold on to it very well. It doesn't feel that much bulky. You can still put it back in your pocket. But that's super cool, especially if you're traveling or anything like that, a conference. You can put that on the back of your phone and be good to go. This will only take about an hour and a half to get it fully charged. This does charge at 7.5 watts through here. But the cool thing is that this Type-C, which like I said, they do give you that cable. It is input and output, and this one you could actually use, and this one's 18 watts. So if you want a faster charger, you want to hook up another device, or you just want to, hold on to this for whatever reason, you can. Man, this is super cool. Just snap it on there, and you're literally good to go. There it is again. So let's actually try that out as well. So I'm just gonna take it off. Let's actually just hook it up like Type-C to Type-C. So we'll hook it up here, and then we'll try it this way. There it is too. So if you want to charge maybe a little bit faster, you can do it this way. But if you don't want to have to be carrying around the cable, like I said, right now I have it with the case too. So just put that on there, and then you're literally good to go. So very, very cool. So if you guys are looking for a new portable power bank, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.